It appears that the Food and Drug Administration wakes up at few times of the year to launch a drive against restaurants and fruit vendors. Since the FDA is a full-time body, Herald Media asked people, should strict action be taken against all restaurants serving unhygienic food, rather than just targeting a few restaurants?
Now this department has to be so alert, and it has to create such an impact that every restaurant should have that feeling that at any moment an inspector from the FDA department could enter for inspection. But just having it after 1 year and then nobody knows where they are, the unhygienic conditions continue in various restaurants, various eateries. This is only because of the lethargic way the FDA is functioning. Now the question is, many are talking and many are questioning whether these raids are with ulterior motives. This is very, very questionable, because there are so many serious things that are happening. The FDA seems to be sleeping about it. Take it the formalin, take it the fruit ripening. Now you can see every restaurant, alternate restaurants with reputation are being found with unhygienic situations. This is, the restaurant owners are not to be. Restaurant owners have never felt the need to keep it hygienic, because the FDA department that is meant to oversee this has been sleeping on this time. Hope it is keeps all the restaurant owners, and all the restaurant owners, I think, are going to willingly do it and keep it hygienic. It is only because nobody is interested, nobody is bothered. They also don't seem to be bothered.
Restaurants serving unhygienic food or their surrounding is not hygienic, I think they should be punished or त्यांचेर fine purpose आई इतून दुसरो choice ना. There is primary, but pre-primary म्हणून the people in the department under whom these restaurants are supposed to be monitored, like FDA and all, यांचेर पहिले punishment येवपा जाय. If the people who are running the restaurants are running it illegally or unhygienically, suppose if they are going to be punished for 1 year, or there is a fine of 10,000, these FDAs and the departments who are supposed to be monitoring this, they should be punished for 2 years, and tencher fine up as 20,000. Everything should be double on these people who has been just taking things lying down. They sit in the offices, they make their salaries and money, and they are least bothered. There is no site inspections taking place regularly.
FDA initiative घेतल्या आणि वो एक्शन घेवपाक पळय ड्राइव केला जे अनहायजिनिक and substandard जावं ते फूड or जावं ते ड्रिंक जावं ती रेस्टॉरंट फूड स्टॉल्स वेसाइड इटरीज पिवपाची और खावपाची हेंचेर ते एक्शन घेवपाक फुडें सरलेले कोणाक ही बरी गजाल ना. पूण एट द सेम टायम भायस जावपाक उपरांत रँडमली सगळ्यांक तेणी चॅक करपाची चड गरज आहा. आयज ह्यो एंटरप्रेनर जे बिझनेसान आहा त्या पिवपाच्या जावं खावपाच्या पयसो करपाक फास्ट मनी करपाक लोकांचे पडलेले ना, तांकां हायजिनाचें पडलेलें ना, द स्टँडर्डूय मेंटेन करना, आनी जे फूड एंड ड्रग्सांचें ओ FDAचें कंप्लायन्स आहा तेंय मेंटेन करनात. येतल्यांचेर एक्शन घेवपाची चड गरज आहा. आयज तांकांच लागून येतल्या एंटरप्रेनरांक लागून जे पयशांचे आशेचे आहात, जे आमचो इनोसेंट लोक जे तांकां पॅटर्नायज करता आनी तेंचे वस्तू आपणाच्या पोटान घालून ती घरा पावच्या सुवातेर हॉस्पिटलान वचचें पडटा, हेंचेर चड गरज आहा एक्शन घेवपाची. येतले क्राफ्ट करपाची चड गरज आहा. तेंची लायसनां कॅन्सील करून तेंचेर एक्शन घेवपाचें चड गरज आहा.